How many questions you feel have been done at DBMI while you were writing your aims? What was the feeling? Did you feel that there were repeats in terms of questions done at DBMI?
I'd say not direct repeats, but most of the discussions that were made included most of the questions that were asked in the
Means you found the topics that were discussed at in the discussions, they were repeated. Okay. Coming back to the program, Nishtha, how did you find our schedules? Were they compatible?
Yeah, definitely.
You find that they helped a lot.
Yeah.
How was your overall experience at DBMI?
The institute is excellent in terms of the teaching material, the faculty members. Also, for the last moment studies, the orthopedics quick review book had been published, which actually helped me to revise orthopedics in almost 6 hours, not more than that. So similarly, all the notes and all the discussions that were made really help you to brush up the things very quickly before the examination. After the classes, even if you miss some classes, then we get messages that if some of the classes have been missed, we can attend them later on. And after every class, there's always a great deal of satisfaction, and faculty members are excellent, and the staff is also very helpful.
Okay, fine. And I just wanted to know one more thing. Since this year NEET was to be introduced, I hope you must have written our NEET online test series.
Yeah.
How did you find them?
It was very helpful because especially we don't know how the pattern would be for the NEET exam, and apart from that, actually practicing it on computer is different. So it was helpful, and also we could check our All India ranking.
Okay, that was good enough.
Yeah.
So you found it helpful.
Yeah.
Okay, finally, Nishtha, any tip that you would like to give to your juniors? Now, since you've achieved a rank, now you can convey to your juniors what exactly should be the strategy they should adapt so that they are also able to achieve what you have achieved.
I'll just say that continuous studies is what you actually require during your MBBS. You should always be regular with your studies and start preparing for the PG entrance exam around in pre-final year. In final year you don't get that much of time because it itself is very hectic. So in pre-final prepare as much as you can. Then during internship obviously you'll have to work very hard.
Okay, thank you very much. That was very nice of you to give us time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.